Welcome to channel, Effortless English from Zero. Learn to speak English like a native. If you are new here, consider subscribing. The lazy pig. Listen and repeat. There is a pig. His name is Yoda. He is hungry. He wants to eat banana. But he is lazy. So, he goes to sleep. Listen and answer. Is there a pig?
Yes, there's a pig.
What is there?
There is a pig.
Is his name Yoda?
Yes, his name is Yoda.
What is his name?
His name is Yoda.
Is he hungry?
Yes, he is hungry.
Who is hungry?
Yoda is hungry.
Does he want to eat banana?
Yes, he wants to eat banana.
Who wants to eat banana?
Yoda wants to eat banana.
What does he want to eat?
He wants to eat banana.
Is he lazy?
Yes, he is lazy.
Who is lazy?
Yoda is lazy.
Does he go to sleep?
Yes, he goes to sleep.
Who goes to sleep?
Yoda goes to sleep.
Where does he go?
He goes to sleep.
Point of view, yesterday. Listen and repeat. There was a pig. His name was Yoda. He was hungry. He wanted to eat banana. But he was lazy. So, he went to sleep. Point of view, tomorrow. Listen and repeat. There will be a pig. His name will be Yoda. He will be hungry. He will want to eat banana. But he will be lazy. So, he will go to sleep. Vocabulary. Pig. Hungry. Eat. Banana. Lazy. Sleep. Question of the day. Do you want to eat banana? Let me know in the comments below. You have to watch this video every day, for at least 1 week. Thank you for watching. If you want to watch more videos, consider subscribing.
See you again. Bye-bye.